Now we will move on problem 5.4.5. In this problem, we are trying to do Monte Carlo simulation to simulate the 1000 trials of the back order submodel. In the first chunk of code, we are just trying to create a histogram of cumulative probability of the back order submodel. In the next chunk of code, we are trying to create a function of demand submodel and the functions of back order submodel that we are going to use in our calculation later on. Now we will assume some initial values to be used to run the model. The delivery is after every 3 days, so we have created a temporary array to define the days when the delivery is expected. So, for the delivery, we will calculate the sum of inventory and the sum of cost. Then we will generate a random number and compute Q using the demand submodel function and recalculate the inventory. And then set that to 0. Compute the daily storage cost and total running cost unless the inventory has been deployed. If the inventory is deployed, then compute the number of days a customer is willing to wait using the back order submodel. If days is greater than 0, then calculate the depth and the average daily cost. If the inventory is not deployed, then calculate the average daily cost by adding the storage cost per gallon per day. Then we calculate the average daily cost by dividing the cost by number of days. As a result, we will get the average is 1119.12 daily. This is the average daily cost. Now we will move on the last problem, which is 5.5.2. In this problem, we are trying to use smooth polynomial to fit the data to obtain arrival and unloading times. We have created two functions, one for arrival and another for other one for the unloading. We have created an array called T that represent the midpoint of time between the arrays. And then we create array R for intervals probability for occurrence. Then we run a loop to get the cumulative probability of occurrence. In order to use a cubic spine method, we need to create an array of 0 to 1 with intervals of 0.001. This would give us thousands values as 0.001, 0.002, 0.003 and so on. In order to apply cubic spline method, Python has package and a function already provided to calculate cubic spine. We call that function and pass array x, which is cumulative probability of occurrence, and t, which is a midpoint of time between array. Then we apply cubic spline equation to the 1000 values that we got in the array. x underscore new. Then we print the values that we that we getting after applying a cubic spline equation. Then we plot those values to generate a figure that shows the probability of arrival times using cubic spline equation. If we run this method, arrival, you can see in the output window the 1000 values after applying a cubic spline method and the corresponding figure. Same way, we have created another function for unloading. If I run this function, you can see in the output window the 1000 values of unloading times using cubic spline method, and here it is the corresponding figures. Thank you.